So Realme Philippines just sent over the newest addition to the number series for us to check out. Hi guys, my name is Joseph of Davao Geek Hub, and this is my unboxing and first impressions of the Realme 10. First, let's unbox it. It's pretty standard. Inside we'll find a SIM ejector tool, a clear jelly case, and some paperworks. Of course, we have the Realme 10 itself. And lastly is a USB to USB Type-C cable and the power brick or charger. Before we continue, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Do also hit the notification bell to get notified when we have new videos uploaded. Now back to the video. Before we check the device itself, let's take a quick look at its specs. It is equipped with a MediaTek Helio G99 processor, as well as 256 gigs of storage and 8 gigs of RAM with up to 5 gigs dynamic RAM expansion. It also features a 90Hz refresh rate Super AMOLED display and a 5000 mAh battery with 33 watts SuperVOOC charge. Now, Realme Philippines has not actually released the full specifications of the Realme 10 at the time of recording this video. More details will be revealed during its launch this November 9, 2022, including its local pricing and availability, so do check it out. Now, when checking out the phone, the first thing we notice is its interesting back design. They call it light particle design, which is like a gradient that sparkles under the light. It's also very glossy and picks up a bit of fingerprints. By the way, this is the Rush Black colorway. It will also come in Clash White. Like most devices, it has rounded corners, but the sides are rather flat. Edges are not that sharp though, so it feels comfortable to hold in the hand. Buttons and ports are where they usually are. The volume and power or wake button are at the left side. The power or wake button is slightly recessed and also doubles as the fingerprint sensor. On the left side of the device is where we'll locate the SIM tray, which houses dual nano SIM cards and a micro SD card. There's nothing on top except for a microphone, and at the bottom is where we'll find the headphone jack, mic, USB Type-C port, and its speakers. Now, its single firing speaker is actually an UltraBoom speaker, which can be turned up to 200%. It is loud enough to fill a small room and not too loud as to distort the audio. And even at 200% volume, it still sounds clean and not too uncomfortable to the ears. It should keep you entertained whether watching a video or listening to music. Speaking of entertainment, the device sports a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display which looks really good. As you can see, colors are vivid and punchy and images are crisp. It also has a 90Hz refresh rate and 180Hz touch sampling rate that makes scrolling on the screen feel smooth. This greatly improves user experience in both everyday tasks and gaming. I haven't actually run any benchmarks on the device yet, but you can look forward to it on my in-depth review. On first use though, it runs smooth even with multiple apps running side by side. It also runs smoothly on gaming as I was able to play Genshin Impact with no lag whatsoever. My only gripe is that it does come with a lot of bloatware. Fortunately, you can choose to uninstall all of them if you so choose. Lastly, we'll quickly take a look at its cameras. It is equipped with a dual camera setup at the rear. It is composed of a 50 megapixel color AI camera and a 2 megapixel black and white lens. At the front is a 16 megapixel selfie camera that's located at the side in a punch hole of the display. Following are some quick sample shots I took with the Realme 10. The Realme 10 will be available in two colorways, Clash White and Rush Black, which is what we have right here. Local pricing has not yet been announced at the moment of making this video. It'll be announced on its launch along with more details of the device on November 9, 2022, so do check it out. That's it for my unboxing and first impressions of the Realme 10. In-depth review will be in written form over at DavaoGeekHub.com. Link will be on the description box below once it's published. If you found this video helpful, do give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, this has been Joseph. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.